India is the second largest country in the world. With this, we will start the class. Lesson number 6, our government, looking after the people. Lesson number 6, our government. Children, in this lesson, we are going to learn about India, government. There are two types of government, that is union government, the state government, and about the union government. India, we live in a country called India. We live in India. In India, there are many states. There are many states. Now, let us know about India. India is the 7th largest country in the world in area wise. India is the 7th largest country in the world in area wise. It spread across approximately 2,933 kilometers from west to east and 3,214 kilometers from north to south. So, India it spreads across approximately 2,933 kilometers. It spreads 2,933 kilometers from west to east and 3,214 kilometers from north to south. So, this is about the covering that India covers the land area. It is the second most populous country in the world. It is the second most populous country in the world. Populous means it is the second most population. In population, it is the second most populous country in the world. Populous means in the population, it is the second. It is in second place. India got independence on 15th August 1947. So, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Before that, British were ruling us. We have the right to select our own government. After independence, we have the right to select our own government. The government look after the betterment and welfare of the people. The government look after the betterment, that is and welfare of the people. It look after the people who are living in our country. So, the government is look after about the people, welfare and betterment. Okay. Government. There are two kinds of government. There are two kinds of government in our country. In our country, there are two types of government. The union government, the state government. The union government, the state government. So, as you know, India is the 7th largest country in the world. So, the government will look after the betterment of the people. So, here alone can't look after the people. So, here the country is divided, that is into union government and state government. Alone can't look after the whole country. So, that is why the government is divided into two kinds, that is the union government, the state government. Now, let us learn about the union government. The union government is also known as the central government. The union government is also known as central government. Union government look after the welfare and safety of the people of entire country. Here, the union government look after the welfare and the safety of the entire country. The main offices of the union government is at New Delhi. The main offices of the union government is situated in New Delhi. It makes rules and laws for entire country. So, the union government, it frames the rules and laws for the entire country. And here in New Delhi, the president, prime minister and other officers also they live in New Delhi. This is about union government. In the next class, we will be learning about the state government. Thank you.